Hi guys, welcome. So I have been watching a lot of girls tint their brows and I have like none. So what I'm going to be doing with you guys today is tinting my brows. I'm going to go through step by step how you can do this at home. I did consider microblading them, but just for the meanwhile, I do want to try this before I go ahead and take that commitment. All right, I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape, just a paint brush to go ahead and conceal where I don't want the dye to go. Sorry guys, it's really last minute. I just thought that I could record it. It might be helpful to others. I also should have plucked my brows before I did this. It's all right. We'll make it work. This is just a practice. Like I said, real last minute. Last night I ran across a few videos like this and all day I thought about it. In me, I find it easiest if I do the bottom first. Some people can do the top, but I like to go in and do the other side. I do my makeup like that also. As soon as I do something to this side, I gotta do it to this side. Looks crazy, I know. All right. They say that you can use Vaseline as well. I use concealer because that's visible for me. I don't trust myself to just use the concealer. You want to go all the way out. I'm gonna right here. Go straight up. I don't want anything right there. How do I look? Busted. Yeah, I know. All right. I always start with my edges first. That's just always been easiest for me. Yeah, and I'm pretty happy with that. I did want it really sharp, but I can always go in with the pencil and drag it out myself. And I did pre-mix the dye, so it's already right here ready. I did see a lot of girls using beard dye, not hair dye. My mother told me I was gonna go blind if I try it with hair dye. That's a risk I'm willing to take for some good eyebrows. It's a little thick. Ugh. Let's try to thin it out a little bit. looks really thick, thicker than I'm used to. Just gonna go with it. Like I said, this is a practice. Ugh. If I do like it, I will continue this method. I told my mom, you might like it so much you'll ask me to do it. I will hook everybody up if this comes out right. So nervous. That's super thick. All right, let's see. Okay, a little bit better. Just gonna try it. Fuck it. Fudge it. Sorry. Fuck it. All right. For me, I'm just using my angle brush that I always use. I have this one. And then I have this one. It's already ready to go. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Gonna start with the ends because those hairs, I feel like I have the least hair right there. Oh my gosh. This is serious commitment. No turning back now. Let me check the time. Or not. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna leave the center a little bare for the first 5 minutes. I want to go for that ombre look, so okay. I literally use like none of this product. I did about a drop of dye and 2 drops of the developer. Should do my mustache next. All my life, my brother told me I have a mustache. I still don't believe him. This is nerve-wracking. Okay. Make sure I get those ends good. Go back here. Lay some more down. I'm excited. I told my boyfriend, when you get home from work and have a brand new girlfriend, one with eyebrows. Sorry guys, I'm so nervous. I'm not a nervous person. Okay. Bring it in. My people are gonna laugh at me. It looks really good though. This might be a fail. I mean, this might not be a fail. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this one just because it's a little bit more precise. Might have been too far out, but I do want that sharpness. I do. Let's see if I can clean it up with my concealer. Nice. That looks really good. I'm gonna leave it. I really like it. Sharp. Sharp as it could get. All right, just gonna go. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I don't think I'll ever stop doing it. I wish I hadn't started because I will never stop. That looks amazing. No way. People literally pay for this. Like, what? I can't believe my lighting sucks so bad. I'm sorry, guys. People literally pay for that. Yeah, I'm not getting my eyebrows microbladed. They say it scars really bad and it takes 3 hours. This took 15 minutes. All right, so I did go in with a second coat. I do want you guys to be able to see. those results as well. So here we go. And I did just take it off with a makeup wipe. I didn't rinse it yet. I'm about to do my hair, so I'm gonna shower after all of this. Look how awesome that looks. I think it does. A little spotty, but compared to where we started, wow. Okay. I'm addicted. Like, I'll never be the same. Awesome.